Well, hello there folks in YouTube land. Welcome back to Ham Radio for Non-Techies. I know I've been gone for a little while, but I've been working on some stuff, and some things have worked out and some things have not. It's just how it's just the name of the game. Anyway, I'm out here today with K8MRD. We're out at Brazos Bend State Park doing a POTA. I haven't done a POTA since he and I went out to Matagorda Island a couple months ago, and part is because the fuel prices are just insane, and it's like 30-40 bucks just to come out to the park. I got other things I can do with that kind of money, so I'm out here with them. But we were running the antenna today. We were using the Chameleon lightweight end-fed sloper, and we did it in the normal sloper configuration. And you can see here the camera around. We had it up. We had the feed lines up there in the tree, and we ran it all the way down to the ground here. Well, we weren't getting a whole lot of luck with that. The bands are being weird today. We were losing people. They weren't coming in strong at all. And I was like, hey, why don't we move it around? What would happen if we raised up some stuff? And we decided to actually take the wire off the ground, put it in a pole, and we actually have it going now from the tree over here where the feed line is. It's running across. I know you can't see it, but it's running into this pole right here. So we got the other part of the wire up in the trees here. Well, we also changed the direction to a more of a north-south configuration. When we did that and got back on the radio, a lot of people that couldn't hear us before could all of a sudden hear us, and they were talking about how we can't, like, I don't know what you do with your antenna, but you're coming in a lot clearer now. We went from like 2.1, 2.2, 3.1 to like 5.5, 5.6, 5.7s. So it improved everything. Now what's funny is, if you read the instructions, as far as I'm aware, I don't have my dope manual on me here.
Hey guys, real quick, I'm gonna make a quick little amendment to what I just said in that video about how the only configuration for the lightweight end-fed sloper is the sloper configuration. If we go to their website here, you can see this is how we had it set up, and we ended up raising that wire, raising up this end over here to make it an NVIS configuration. Well, if you go and look at the manual, RTFM, you look down here, it can be put in NVIS configuration. So again, not having my dope book on me, which I normally carry when I go out and do POTA stuff, just in case, because I carry multiple antennas. So depending on what antenna I want to use, I don't have to sit here and remember all this stuff. So I write down everything in my little book. I have a whole video on that, which I'll post up here somewhere. Keep a dope book on the different configurations of what those antennas require. Some require tuners, some don't, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, with that being said, guys, back to the show.
But as far as I'm aware, when you're setting up this antenna, they always talk about it being an end-fed sloper. So you set up a sloper configuration. Having it set up with a horizontal configuration like this is kind of, we're breaking the rules here. But as we talk about, and we've talked about this a lot before, ham radio is all about experimentation. So it doesn't hurt to try something out and see what you can make it do. And in this experiment we did here just happened to work. And it seems like it's doing really well. He's over there right now just racking up, pile up after pile up after pile up. I haven't gotten a chance to get on yet, so I'm kind of waiting for him to get his 250 contacts, and I'll jump on and do mine. But it's the nature of the game here. But yeah, we're out here just trying to get some, do some POTA. We're supposed to meet a bunch of people out here, but apparently they lacked in the communication department. And in doing so, we got out here early, about 11 o'clock. And I called, and when we got here, there's nobody here. So I called my buddy. He's like, hey, where are you guys? Oh, we're not coming out till like 3 o'clock. It's like, dude, 3 o'clock, I'll be home eating brisket and drinking beer. I'm not sitting out here in this heat, 100-degree heat in Texas. I don't care who's coming. So anyway, guys, I just want to make a quick video on this. Like I said, always experiment, always try things out. You never know what's going to work out for you. And in this case, it really worked out. And he's getting contact after contact after contact. Actually, you know what? Just to prove it, I'm going to pop the camera over to him. We'll pop up and watch him do some POTA for a sec. You guys seem to like watching Mike do his contacts.
Got you 5x4, 54 here in Texas.
Roger, I got you about 5 and 2. Kind of the band conditions, like you said, are really stinking right now, but I appreciate the contact.
Roger, thanks for the contact. 73 QRZ, K8MRD, Parks on the air.
Kilo 4, Victor Bravo Lima, you're 3x2, 32.
Copy the 5x5 Virginia. Thanks, 73. QRZ, Kilo 8 Mike Romeo Delta Parks on the air. Who's the Kilo Echo 8? The Kilo Echo 8? Nothing heard. QRZ?
November 4, Charlie Whiskey Bravo.
Wow. November 4, Charlie Whiskey Bravo. Solid 5x9. Great signal.
Yeah, 59 South Carolina, 73.
Thank you. 73. QRZ?
Whiskey 8, Tango Golf Romeo.
Wow. Whiskey 8.
So anyway, there's just a little
5x9.
sample of what we're getting. This just keeps happening. And stations that were coming in really weak are now coming in really, really strong. They're hearing us a lot better, which is an added plus, right? And this overall makes the whole day worth doing and makes the entire experiment, I think, a success. So as I said before, you ever have problems with your antennas, try different stuff. Just give it a shot. Worst thing that happens, you don't hear anything. Or it might just improve your signal. Anyway, guys, be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I know about more than half of you that watch my videos aren't subscribed. It's free. Free, free, free. So subscribe to the videos, subscribe to the channel. It helps me out. It keeps me, able. It makes it able so I can make more videos for you guys. And I really want to get back in the swing of things, get more stuff out there. Like I said, I've been having some problems. I was trying to do a couple cool build videos, and with the supply chain issues, all the other stuff that's going on in the world right now, it's been really, really difficult to get a hold of supplies. And it's been frustrating. It's like, hey, I've got to get a video out. And I was really trying to hyper focus on this particular topic, and I don't know if it's going to happen yet. It may still happen. I'm going to have to just amend my topic or my subject matter a little bit and get you guys a good video out there. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later. This is Ham Radio for Non-Techies, and we are clear.